What the? Sam!
Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Just leave me alone.
Gunner, what's your opinion on Minnesota?
Don't really care.
You don't care about Minnesota?
I don't care about your question.
What is Minnesota?
Go.
You don't care about.
Go.
I was asking about Minnesota though.
Go away.
Dude, what's wrong with Minnesota?
Yo, Lila, you want a bite?
No thanks.
Ah, dang, she didn't even want a bite of her own. Here comes the airplane.
Yo, can I borrow some ketchup there?
Sure, bro.
Thanks, bro. What is that? What is that?
Crab rangoon.
Is that a crab rangoon?
Damn, shawty, what's your? Can I get your number? Oh, my bad, bro.
Come back.
No, I'm good, bro. Watch out.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your...
Oh, this is cute. Oh.
No conozco banderas del mundo. Gay.
Bro, deadass, I think all them females over there looking at us and shit, bro. But don't look over there, though.
Yeah, I think it's better. Drew, come on, Drew. Come on, Drew, come on. Come on, Drew. Come on, buddy.
And do not open the room with the green door. Princess has been a naughty, naughty kitty, and she's in timeout. All right, bye.
Oh, wait, before you go. Girl, come on, you got a dish. Like, tell me about this guy. What's his butt like? Like, is it cool?
He's fine.
Yeah, no, totally. I bet you could do so much better.
Mm-hmm.
Shall I continue?
It's not worth it.
Hey, this is Livy, Kyle's girlfriend.
What's up?
Kyle said he was with you, and I was just wondering if that was true.
Yeah, Kyle's always with me.
Oh, okay. Can I talk to him?
Yeah, here you go. What's up? My pussy. What's up? Hold on, I'll tell you later.
Got a craving? After you fuel up, stop in the store for coffee, a hoagie, and more. Gotta have a...
You'd be surprised at how much moisture can be trapped in wood.
I wonder how moist this wiener is.
Fuck. The UFOs are back. Are you fucking kidding me? These things are dog water as shit.
Got some lip balm from a Vaseline. Was that wrong lips?
So, this bloody American was trying to make fun of me, right? So I say, at least I don't get shot up in my bloody math class. Hop on. Shut the fuck up! You bloody queer, go hop over the water.
10 people died in the Bronx last night due to a fire that killed 10 people in the Bronx last night during a fire.
Fire officials say all 10 people died due to the fire, which was too hot for their bodies.
Just to be clear, it was a fire, right?
3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Go on, gang! I knew that was gonna happen.
Hi, my name is Snapple. My background consists of watermelon and lemonade. The more you open this door and the more you hold me, my temperature goes down and I'm not drinkable anymore. Close the goddamn door! Whoa! What the hell?
Once I went to the fridge, saw our jug in there, and I thought, what's in it? A syrup. What syrup? Smell it. Smells nice. Finger in, lick it. Tastes nice. Lift the jug and drink a bit. Oh, this is good. This is peach syrup, tinned peach syrup. What a drink! So I drank.
Oh my God!
Subscribe and don't forget to click on clicking bell.
Called dark mode in real life.
What do you think about this, man?
Oh my god, guys, they have the wavy Funyuns onion flavored rings.
Show me your gritty. Show me your... Oh my God, that's one way to hit the... Oh!
My God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Estados Unidos, será que é muito potente aqui? Vamos ligar ela agora pra ver se é potente mesmo. Vai!
Nah, bro, you ain't sleeping with me, bro.
Oh shit! Got a boy! Oh!
يا عمو ربنا ما عايز على يا عمو والنبي.
I'm out here at the North American International Auto Show, and Ford brought out the... I can't believe this, man. They got the... out here.
Ask for it. So here goes. Now watch this. Ah! Oh, I am sorry. But this is exciting. Look at this color. Oh! 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 Yes! Oh! 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 Yes! Oh! Oh my gosh, it's so great.
Amogus.
Hands out your pockets.
Okay, okay.
Hey guys, today I'm here at Walmart and I'm going to be showing you what not to do.
Bueno muchachos, hoy les vengo a enseñar un tip para cómo separar cuando se te pegan los huevos.
We'll take a selfie. Here, you take that when it's open, and I'll take a quick selfie. You ready?
All right, ready?
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Smile. Do we have it? Wait,
Yeah,
the angle.
go to the edge.
Wait, the angle.
Go to the edge. The ACLU used to care about the rights of accused, but with Kavanaugh, well, they spent $1 million.
That looks perfect. I can't wait to ride it. Yep.
I mean, what am I supposed to say? Congratulations. Nice cock.
Vai, Godão, gira a cabeça de repente.
Não dá, pô.
Some of y'all really be calling your women mommy. What are you gonna do when your actual mom catches?
I'll give you a res if you call me mommy.
Mommy! Mommy! Yes, sweetheart.
Mommy! Mommy, give me milky, please! I want
What the fuck?